Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So today is our last Super Bowl recipe. I'm so excited to show you guys this because when I saw this cake mold, I was like, that needs to happen on YouTube. So I have hiccups. So today we are making a stadium cake. I think this is awesome. Oh god. And this is gonna be so hard to get through. And it's really, really easy. You just need to buy a pan and basically pour cake batter into it. And it looks like a stadium, and I think the most fun part about this is that since it is kind of like a bundt cake in that it's open in the middle, you can actually fill the middle with whatever you like. So if you feel like making my puppy chow, which will be linked here, you can fill that in the center, or any kind of like candies or chips or anything that you want to eat. So it's like a festive bowl, but it also is a cake, which I think is so awesome. So let's get started. Oh, and sorry, before we get started, comment down below and let me know who you are cheering for. I'm not even a huge football person. I also don't have cable. All I have is like Netflix on my computer. God, on my TV. So, this is a mess. So I am not even like fully in the know, but I thought I would contribute at least something to the Super Bowl, which is my baking. So anyways, let's get started.
So first you want to beat the butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and eggs one at a time, beating with each addition. In a separate bowl, combine some flour, baking soda, and salt. Add this to the butter mixture in 2 additions, alternating with the buttermilk. Then spray a stadium cake pan generously with cooking spray. And I'll have this pan linked in the description box below if you want to pick it up. I highly recommend. I think it's awesome. Add a couple spoonfuls of flour into the pan and shake the pan around until all sides of the pan are coated in flour. And this like greasing and then flouring process is going to help the little like edges of the cake not stick into the pan. So this is super, super important. Tap out the excess flour and then pour the batter into the pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the cakes comes out clean. Cool the cake in the pan for 15 minutes, then turn it out onto a flat surface and cool completely. Trim the bottom of the cake with a serrated knife so that the cake sits flat on your desired platter. And then just decorate the cake with some frosting that corresponds with the teams that are playing. And then you can stick some gummy bears onto the stand to look like people, add some flags. And then you can fill the middle of the cake with whatever you like. I use green sprinkles because like that's just what I had on hand. But like I mentioned before, you can add anything that you like. If you're like serving some extra desserts on game day, you could like put those in the middle of the cake, or you can put my football puppy chow, which I'll have linked in the cards right here. So definitely go check that out. And you are done.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. I hope you don't have hiccups like I do right now. Oh my gosh. But if you missed out on last week's Super Bowl recipe, where I made 3 different recipes in one video, click the playlist here and it will take you there. And if you're making anything else for the Super Bowl, or if you try out my recipes, please send me photos and tag me at pankobunny on Twitter or Instagram. I would absolutely love to see them. I love seeing your creations. It makes me so happy. Like, it makes my heart so warm and fuzzy. So thank you guys so much. On Thursday, we are starting off with our Valentine's Day recipes, which are so much fun. Oh my gosh. I shared a sneak peek of Thursday's recipe on Instagram. And so those of you who are watching my Insta stories, you know what's coming. So make sure you're subscribed and ring that notification bell down below so that you're notified when that video goes live so that you don't miss out. So excited. And theme week is also happening next week. So bringing back theme week. And then I have a very exciting theme something happening in March that I announced in yesterday's video. So again, check that video out there if you want to know what's happening in March, because something exciting is happening in March. But yeah, so stay tuned for Thursday, and yeah, I will see you guys then. Bye!